This is Bronco Bob. I'm back. I went for a test drive. I want to do a real close-up video and just kind of let you see what you're getting. The bumpers are perfect. It's got a receiver hitch. This is a GMC, and it's flex fuel, so you can run the E85 ethanol if you want to. The paint is just flawless. It's got the little rock guard protective deal right there. Even the paint on the leaf springs is still shiny. See the muffler? It's all in good shape. Door moldings are good. The fender well moldings look good. The wheel is just perfect. What a great truck. Got the tow hooks on the front. It's a gorgeous truck. Again, thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails and good luck with your bids. Somebody's going to get a really beautiful truck. And when this shows up at your place, you're going to have a big smile on your face.